Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, if you're waiting for big moves after FOMC, probably you are not very happy because market was mostly silent and we can see that nothing changed much. And if you're sleeping like me, then probably you did not regret sleeping when you saw the chart in the morning. Right now, we can see that the levels that we discussed in our earlier videos are still the same here. Things have not changed much. If we look at the market sentiment, we can see gold edges higher after FOMC minutes. Gold ticked up around 2024 for an ounce on Wednesday, rising for the fifth straight session after the release of minutes from the January FOMC. Policymakers express the need for further evidence before considering easing policy, means rate cuts, while acknowledging the likelihood of further rate hikes. Mostly market was expecting that Fed would talk about rate cuts in June, but there was nothing as such, and more or less market gives some mixed signals. You can see gold steady as traders assess mixed signals. Gold edges higher on safe haven demand, weaker dollar. Gold edges higher on safe haven demand, weaker, same news, sorry. Anyways, if you look at the chart of DXY, then we can see on the chart of DXY also things have not changed much. Right now, DXY or US dollar index is standing at 103.87. This is the current market price. So if we try to understand the chart of DXY, then market is showing huge signs of retracement. As a day trader, you can look for support around 103.70, 103.60. Okay, if market takes support around this area, we can expect that there will be a bounce. If not a complete trend reversal, at least we can look for a bounce like this. Okay, and if we try to see the overall situation here, overall things are still bullish for US dollar. I won't say that very bullish. Market is extremely bullish. No, nothing like that. But overall, the market sentiment is bullish. So yes, after taking a support, we can expect a bounce from here. And to continue the upside, gold will have to, DXY will have to cross 105 level, but chances of market breaking 105 are very less right now. Now let's talk about the chart of gold. The high around 2032 is still there in the market, and the next resistance of gold is still around 2036. If you look at the chart of gold here, then the psychological resistance of 2050 is no longer valid, I guess. In case gold starts going up, the next resistance will be this particular level here, okay, around 2060. So right now, okay, we need gold to cross this level, then only things will be okay clear to us. My dear friends, this is Chart Prime, and if you're tired of using Telegram signals looking for a proper solution, this can be the best solution because in the trading world right now, Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator available because here you not only get buy and sell signals on the screen, but it also tells you the reason so that you can understand and learn. For example, the Prime Oscillator Pro, it not only does the job of an oscillator, but it also tells you about the divergences. It marks the overbought, oversold signals and also tells you when to buy and sell. You can see the Market Oracle Pro. Okay, the Market Oracle Pro is also giving you buy and sell signals, and the band here is telling you when the market is reaching the high, from where the reversal may come, from where the bounce may come, so we get the proper idea what is the range of the market. So my dear friends, if you're looking for further information, you can go to the tutorial section on the website, and yes, you can definitely give a shot right now. Okay, they are giving a 7 days money back guarantee. You can see here. Okay, so the link is in the description. Feel free to check out Chart Prime. So technically we have two things going on the chart of gold right now. First of all, on higher time frame, on 4 hours time frame, we can see the market is more or less choppy and showing a bearish trend because market is forming lower lows and lower highs. So it is clear to us that yes, this market is not under the dominance of buyers, but yes, sellers have got a good influence. But if we look at the hourly time frame, especially hourly time frame, is the love of the day traders. On hourly time frame, we can see a different story. We can see the market is an uptrend. Okay, so if you are a swing trader, if you're a swing trader, then obviously 1 hour time frame is not perfect for you. You need to stick to the higher time frame. So if you're a swing trader, you need goal above 20, I'll say 2036 or 2035. If gold breaks 2035-36 level and stays above the level for 4 to 6 hours, then you can consider that finally gold has changed the structure, and yes, we can expect an upside from here. And if you are in touch with the news, you must be doing that we also have a tension going on in the Middle East. If the tension on Middle East escalates, then we may see upside on gold. Probably you must be knowing that whenever there is a crisis in the world, gold always go up. Right now, gold is not responding to the news well, but if things take an ugly turn, then definitely we will see an upside on the chart of gold. And as a swing trader, you can go for a buy above 2035 or 2036 level. Okay, because the structure of the market will change, the trend of the market will change. Traders around the world were expecting that gold would show a clear picture after FOMC. Sadly, that did not happen. I was also expecting, but today we have a long list of events. If you go to economic calendar, you can see we have a long list of events. So be careful. Okay, be careful, because at the time of news, market will be volatile. And if you're a new trader, beginner, do not gamble. Do not lose patience with your hard-earned money. Okay. Market will give you plenty of opportunities to make money. So news trading is lucrative but very dangerous as well. Okay, so after news, if you see gold is showing signs, okay, signs of uptrend, then you may try to follow the trend of the market. But if you're a swing trader and if you're looking for a big position, then yes, you need gold above this level. Then only you can consider an uptrend. And if fundamentals come along with the technicals, then obviously things will be very, very beautiful. And day traders, what are the trading opportunities for you then? So day traders, you need to be patient first of all. Okay, because if you lose patience, there's a high chance that you will be trapped on a bad trade and you may lose money. If you look at your profit and loss statement, I can guarantee that most of the bad trades are a result of staring at the screen, watching the screen for a couple of hours. Because see, I'm just going out of track, don't mind. Because whenever we sit in front of the screen for hours in a dull market like this, after 1 hour, 2 hours, our brain plays tricks. Okay, it tells you that what are you doing? You are sitting in front of the screen for hours and you call yourself a trader. Then obviously your subconscious mind, okay, starts looking for positions in the market. You may think that maybe there is a position. Okay, and most of the bad trades are result of impulsive decisions that we take by losing our patience. Don't make the mistake. So after news, okay, try to follow the trend of the market. But before news, if the market remains like this, then try to avoid any position. And if you see market coming down to our level, then you can look for a position. So first of all, the best support on the chart of gold is around 2008. Means as the trend of the market is up, in case market shows a drop after PMI, listen to me carefully. Day traders, trend of the market is towards the upside. Okay, your day trader means your position will last for a couple of minutes to couple of hours. You're planning to close the position within the same day. So considering the present trend of the market, if you see a drop on the chart of gold after PMI, you can look for support around 2008 if the fall is not very high. 2008 and 2000 is the best level, but 2008 can also be reliable, but be careful. Okay, because we have around 2008, we have FIBO 50% retracement level. The previous resistance will be working as support. Not clear. Okay, before 2008, we have the next support around 2013. Why 2013? You can see this was the level where market took support previously. We also have the 200 moving average around the area. Along with that, we have FIBO 38.2. So if we combine all the three factors, 2013 is also a good level where you can look for a buy position. And in case market doesn't come for retracement at all, okay, then you can look for buying around 2019 area, 2019. So on the chart of gold, we have three levels. 2008 is the best support, but 2008 is far away, so we can also look for buy around 2013, which is also a good level, and 2019 as well, 2019 2020. And if you're a day trader, okay, if patience is not your virtue, in that case you can also look for buy around 2025 to 2024. Okay, and this 2025 2024 position will only work in Asian and European session only, because this is not a strong level that will be able to hold the market at the time of news or during the US session. So these are the trading opportunities if you see gold going down. And what are the trading opportunities if gold goes up? The opportunities are still the same here, okay, that we have discussed in our previous videos. So if you are a risk taker, if risk is your middle name, you can look for a sell around 2036. If not a complete trend reversal, but at least as a scalper, you can look for a sell for 30-40 pips around 2036. But very risky position, only take if risk is your middle name. Okay, and if you see that there is a sudden buy in the market, gold is going up, there is a volume, you can look for a buy at 2032. Okay, above 2032 or around 2032.50, because the structure of the market is positive. For to break a level, to break the previous level especially or specifically, volume is extremely important. Right now market is unable to break the previous high because of a lack of volume. If volume comes up, then obviously we can expect that gold will break the level and head towards the next resistance. So if gold breaks 2032.50 with volume, you can look for a buy as well. But whatever you do, follow proper risk management, do not gamble. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. The world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. And my dear friend, this workshop is not for complete beginners. If you are in the market for quite some time and you are struggling, unable to make profit, then only this workshop will be beneficial for you. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Once you open the website, you will see that there's a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be beneficial for you or not. Because there are some small things that doesn't require any classes or something like that. Okay, you can just Google the problem and you can just work on it. Okay, just being honest here. So these are the topics that we will be dealing during the workshop. And as I said, 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. And during the 1 month support, okay, we will be having weekly sessions, and these are the topics of discussion for the weekly classes. And during the 1 month support, you will be receiving WhatsApp updates regularly. You can see this is our WhatsApp group. So these type of updates you'll be receiving on day-to-day basis. And then we also have a Telegram community so that you can interact with other members. You can share ideas, ask questions. You can say this is just a glimpse of the Telegram community. It's a colorful community. You will find traders from all around the world. You can see the next workshop dates are 1st, 2nd and 3rd of March for English classes, and for Hindi classes 9, 10, 11th of March. Though we have plenty of time for the Hindi classes, but still you can join now. You'll be receiving free access to the Telegram community and WhatsApp messages free till the workshop date. Okay, after that it will start. And my dear friends, you can see the best part is the fees. It's only $15 or rupees 1000 for 3 days workshop with 1 month support. And these are the benefits that you will be receiving during the 1 month. And as we all know, trading takes time. Okay, trading takes time, and trading is like a journey. So to clear doubts, to have personal sessions with me so that you can understand the problems better. If you're looking for personal sessions with me, then you can also sign up for semi-annual and lifetime support. You can see these are also very much affordable. If you're wondering how long the personal sessions will last, okay, don't have to worry about that time. Okay, usually, okay, it lasts for 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Okay, personal sessions are useful for traders, okay, who are in a process of learning, I guess. Okay, anyways, these are the payment methods. Everything is mentioned on the website. The link is in the description. Once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number below, or you can also email here. But yes, please do share your WhatsApp number so that I can add you to the group. Thank you so much.